Hi everyone, this is Kenny Howell. I hope all y'all had a Merry Christmas and I want to wish you a Happy New Year. We have some exciting news going into 2021. We're going to announce we're going to take this YouTube thing seriously. The plan is video a week. Starting next week, starts with a shop tour. Then we're going to dig into some tips, tricks, recognize tendencies that we're using, recognize tools, recognize setups for different jobs, different techniques, just utilizing things that I've learned in the industry over the years to make your processes better, and then also it'll help make my processes better. The one thing is, I need y'all to hold me accountable. I want to stick to this one video a week thing. Let's make this grow. This is my way of giving back to y'all. I would love to be a teacher, but I enjoy industry too much. So this is my way of giving back to hopefully build your businesses. Hopefully, if this is a hobby for you, to make you more efficient at your hobby, to make everything more enjoyable. So by saying this, I need y'all to spread the word on this. I need to tell your mama, your daddy, your brother, your sister, your auntie, your uncle, grandmama, grandpa, everybody. That way we can make this worthwhile, because this is going to take away from my family time, my business time, and by support, we can make each other better. If I don't know something, I'm going to reach out to somebody to figure it out. If I can't figure it out, I'm going to reach out to y'all, and therefore then y'all can converse it back to me. This is how a scientific process works. This is how we make ourselves better. So, just in closing, let's make this happen. Let's make 2021 a good year for us. Lord knows 2020 was rough, even though it was still a blessing. We're still here going. So, until next week, I hope y'all have a great one.